6, 7, 8.
Hey baby, won't you take a chance? Say that you'll let me have this dance. Well, let's dance. Well, let's dance. We'll do the twist, the stomp, the mashed potato too. Any old dance that you wanna do. Well, let's dance. Well, let's dance. Hey baby, yeah, you throw me slow. Hold me tight, don't you let me go. Well, let's dance. Well, let's dance. We'll do the twist, the stomp, the mashed potato too. Any old dance that you wanna do. Well, let's dance. Well, let's dance. Okay, well now. Oh yeah. Hey baby, if you're all alone, maybe you'll let me walk you home. Well, let's dance. Well, let's dance. We'll do the twist, the stomp, the mashed potato too. Any old dance that you wanna do. Well, let's dance. Well, let's dance. Hey baby, things are swinging right. Yes, I know that this is the night. Let's dance. Well, let's dance. We'll do the twist, the stomp, the mashed potato too. Any old dance that you wanna do. Well, let's dance. Well, let's dance. Well, let's dance. This is Let's Dance, choreographed by Leslie Clark. It's a 32 count, 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot. Side, behind, side, together, twist, left, right, right. Section 2, side, behind, side, together, twist, right, left, left. Section 3, forward touch, back touch, back touch. Last section. You have the choice of a rolling vine or a straight vine. Let me show you the straight vine. And I'll do the rolling vine when I do the counts in a moment. Side, behind, side, touch. Side, behind, pull to turn left, touch. And you start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the whole dance.